You took my shrimp. I will make you pay for that action. She has been hired by a restaurant owner. You should go there and look for her. I hired you. Work hard.
She didn't do her job well, so the restaurant owner took her to an abandoned house.